Hi, my name is Valentina and I've partnered with CoverGirl to show you how to create an easy breezy eye look. So the first thing I like to go in with is my brows. I'm going to be using CoverGirl's Easy Breezy Brow Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. And I really love the formula and the consistency of it. It really creates an effortless full look for your brows. So now that my brows are done, I'm going to go ahead and start with my eyes. I'm going to go in with CoverGirl's Eye Enhancer Eyeshadow Kit. This palette is really cool because it offers 3 neutral shades that you can build up or build down on your eye. It also has a silky formula, which makes it really easy to add on. And what I really love about this kit is that it includes a double end applicator, which I'm using for my eye. So now that I've enhanced my eyes, I'm gonna go in and create a subtle eyeliner look with CoverGirl's Eye Perfect Plus eye pencil. And what I really like about this pencil is that it has the pencil at the top and then a smudge tip at the bottom. I like using this pencil because it creates a softer smoky look, and I could use the blended tip at the bottom to blend out my line. And it's really easy to use because it just glides on really smooth. A water resistant formula. So now that I've enhanced my eyes, created my liner, I'm gonna go in with the final touch with the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Mascara. And if you've used this before, you know how much volume you can get out of this. It's smudge proof, clump proof, and it lasts all day. And it really gets into all of your small lashes that you sometimes can't get to. And the formula is really lightweight, so it's not too heavy on your lashes. And it already creates a big difference.